This is Tropicalia, my rainforest ecosystem vivarium, which is composed of plants, dead matter and creatures. And today I added this shrimp food for my young carpenter ant colony. At first, only one ant came, which started sipping the liquid around the shrimp food. Then other carpenter ants started coming, and they even started exchanging liquids through the process of mouth to mouth. Well, I guess the carpenter ants really enjoyed the shrimp food I added. And I also hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to help us make more.